sort of update on some of the reviews that we did on Sunday. So in terms of our weekly plan, I'm still waiting on USD Swiss to come into sort of a higher time frame daily fair value gap, and then going to wait for the break lower. In terms of AUD USD, definitely did what I was anticipating on a H4 fair value gap here. And so you had an M15 market maker buy model up to these highs. And this is it. Yeah. So H4 fair value gap, low risk buy, first accumulation, second accumulation, up to this original consolidation. So I missed this, no problem. Weekly plan. So yeah, we're still waiting for USD Swiss to come up to a daily fair value gap. Nothing's really happening on Sterling AUD. Just covered this. I'm currently down 0.5 R. I've taken 2 losses and 1 win. Lost on silver. Currently in a gold trade, which I can show. So yeah, so just a very brief review. I'm currently in gold. This is your daily fair value gap, and this is your weekly internal, and we mentioned that we're looking up to these highs. So within this daily fair value gap, you can see H1 SMT with silver. Bearish candle here is no longer respecting price to go lower. So this is your breaker or your mitigation or whatever. We've entered off of an OB and a fair value gap on a lower time frame, which is the M15. As you can see here, so your SMT, your OB breaking upwards, and your fair value gap. So I've entered up here. Silver, I've taken a loss on silver already. I longed and then this wick fucked me up, but we're still respecting sort of bullishness. Like I mentioned, Sterling AUD isn't doing much. I took a Ethereum trade, although I didn't hold to full TP. I felt like it was quite an emotional trade, like just I'm not really trusting my analysis. But yeah, I closed early for 1.5 hours, so that was my win. So 2 losses, 1 win, -2 plus 1.5. So I'm currently down 0.5 R. But like I mentioned, I'm waiting for some others. I'm in this gold trade, which if win should be like a 4R. So I should be up 3.5. I'm also longing near, which is crypto. I think we've got like a really nice, it's got really nice structure essentially. So on the weekly, same thing, like when we're in a discount weekly fair value gap. Just going down to the daily. So below these lows is smart money accumulation, which is that weekly fair value gap. So your smart money reversal, this is your low risk buy. You've got a short-term low here. We've now formed the intermediate term low, and like these lows like here essentially or here is just going to be your another short-term low. So this is your first accumulation, and second accumulation should be higher. So I'm looking for a 30% gain and risking 7%. So this is spot. You could push it up to 40 and potentially 65, and I think it's higher as well. So this is another high time frame fair value gap. So 80% potentially. I'm most likely just going to close out at 30%. I think that's a decent gain. And then we've also just designed like literally a real simple chart for a 2% target each week, and I'm going to write the actual, and then really just try and keep tracking all this stuff. But we'll see how we go, boys. Peace.